And inconsistency and a lack of chemistry are the problems defender Ethan Pinnock says have affected the Reggae Boyz campaign so far in their quest for World Cup glory. The boys continue to be on the outside looking in as far as World Cup qualifying is concerned.
A 3-2 defeat for Jamaica against Panama almost signaled the end of a campaign which is just as bad as the Jamaican economy. In the last two matches, the Reggae Boyz gave the fans hope, only to fizzle out at the end like a damp squib. But according to defender Ethan Pinnock, chemistry and consistency could be missing due to the late coming together of the squad ahead of the campaign.
Throughout, the more time we spend with each other, the better we'll understand each other and, know each other and how we play. I think you could see that in the last two games, periods of the games where, we were good in the game, but over the course of the 90 minutes, we just didn't manage to maintain it.
Pinnock further outlined that the quality needed to close out games was also missing.
I feel like, our structure was good at times. Maybe once they got the goal just ahead of half-time, it kind of gave them a little boost with the crowd and, going in at half-time, 1-0 up would have been really important for us and, could have made a difference in the second half. Once we came back out, I think we tried to do the right things, but on the day, I think we just didn't have the quality in the end.
The discontent of the coaching staff also showed during the match, as those on the bench cut a figure of frustration.
When you watch a game of football, you go through thousands of emotions. And, at any time you could shake your head. When they scored the goal, I was happy. You go up and you down, it's a roller coaster. So, yeah, at the first, the players started the game tremendously well. We went a goal up. And then we managed to give them a chance to get back into the game. And that's what I was probably shaking my head at. So it was frustrating at times. And it was good at times, so it is the life of football.
What started out as a dream is slowly turning into a nightmare. But JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint is not ready to pull the covers.
We have a very slim chance of qualifying, and so we will be pulling out all the stops to try and qualify for the World Cup of Qatar. We have not given up on that dream. But if that does not become a reality, we will just regroup and just reset the program and begin again for 2026.
Currently, the table doesn't make good reading for the Reggae Boyz, but if you are a dreamer, this is the time to dare. Renarda Brown for TVJ Sports.